Hi, I'm Natalie Ongina, a civil engineer at G. Douglas Valley Limited. Our firm was retained by Norfolk County to design, tender, and oversee the reconstruction of James Street in Delhi. This extensive project was constructed in 3 phases and spans across Delhi from Crozier Street all the way to Swimming Pool Road. The project included the replacement of all sanitary, storm, and water main infrastructure, new street lighting throughout, and new traffic signals at the intersection of James Street and Church Street. A key component of this project was maintaining the flow of traffic along Highway 3 throughout each phase of construction. Take a look at the complete transformation of Phase 3 at the intersection of James Street and Church Street.